Now here is how the students upload assignments in eLearning once the instructor configures an assignment. So the student has logged in and goes to item 1.3, which is the Unit 1 assignment, reviews the details, references the documents and the rubric, and then toward the end there is the option for Upload Assignment. Click on Upload Assignment, and then they have to confirm that this is their work. They can put notes here in the online text area. And then further down under File Submissions, this is where the student can drag and drop files in here, or click on the Upload button and then choose the file and then upload it. Then press Save Changes, and the student has uploaded their assignment. They can remove the submission, they can make changes to it, and then below here the students will be able to view the grading status, and farther down, once you grade it, they're going to be able to review comments that you provided